Welcome to Pass and Move, a special proudly brought to you by Ebenaya Foods. It's your number one show, Pass and Move podcast. It's a Rangers Football Club taking on the Highlanders Football Club here at Arofaro Stadium. Come on, David. Bon David. Indawo ulilolo.
Sikanaka.
Game run azurona zi.
Anyopedza.
Chi.
Timu yedu
Ndeipi acho.
yofungira ndeipi
Highlanders.
aiwa
Ndipo skola inofunga kuti Highlanders inowina nengani.
ino apa hainarira haipedzi inoskorwa
So unofungiza kuti game ropera ingari kani
2-1
2-1 ndiani anogoisa paHighlanders.
vakomana vanonetsa
Ndiani anonetsa.
vakomana vekuhainarira vanonetsa zvikanandashi
So Rangers inopedza bhora.
vanonetsa
Alright mkoma.
ndosaka tazoya kuzovaona
Apo mkoma wangu. Kawan. Puto mushab.
Young right mino.
Zikibani.
Young right.
Uyakhuluma mbuyataura kana zvese.
Zvese.
Urona sei game runners.
Game runners rine ka tough chana.
Ibo prediction because kana chitarisa palogo team yako eish. Pari trick.
Okay. Nasitofana kuwina. To win.
Ngani?
To win 2-1.
Ndiani anogoisa.
Kutomba nozuda lo.
Kana kuti ndi Nigeria mutsva. Kana kuti
Nigeria mutsva kana nonzofarira zuda.
Iri bomb koma. Tona after ball.
Iribo thanks.
Bobo. My brother Ishab.
Na siyaphila bafo.
Ibona njani game namhla?
No, igame namhlanje le yishutu le baba. Esikhuluma ngakho ukuthi siyabe vela sizochaya ibheya. My prediction is 2-0.
Mbano njani?
Asikhuluma uMelikhaya uyafaka zonke.
Futhi azovumela lo my brother.
Hayi lamvumela my brother.
Lona 2-0. 2-0. Wena yini my brother?
Mina ngikhangele ukuthi umntu uyachaya iheda.
Umduwa.
Ulo mbheba uyachaya iheda. Isakunta loba yantshontshela. Umbhebe uyachaya iheda. Kumbe yahlotha ifree kick. Andi sisonke akula problem umthafazi.
Shabashaba jesu. Asibona after bora phela.
No problem sinashi thina.
Shabashaba.
Yosana thintenza ola yanje. Ukuzibona ukuthi thina we are proudly Boso supporters. Singena an hour before.
Asilandaba.
Ngena an hour start. Vele kahle ufanele singene ngo-10 ekuseni.
Check out 7 minutes to 2.
Ufanele singene ngo-10 ekuseni.
Ashaba for nice one. Putha zamushaba.
Ngishabu scheme uhamba njani?
Hayi ngiyathaba ukubona ngithaba ukuthi umuntu uhamba lemoni.
Ngihamba nabafana.
Uthi bejayela igame. Ubona njani game namhla?
Hey, namhla igame la ngikhona ngani inzima kakhulu. Njengetimu yokuthi thina siphansi siyibhoso. Sizama ukuthi sisukume. Kodwa engikubonayo ukuthi hayi siyaqinisa. Sizaqina njengamadoda. Namhlanje ngibona ngani amadoda abazalwa. Balwimpi kaMzilikazi. Sizabona ngani kwakho yaba kuhle kakhulu. Ngifisa ukuthi mina ngiyabona ngani prediction yami. Ngibona ngani sizanqoba.
Ngayi.
Ngibona sinqoba 2 uthini mfana 2-0 ngibona sinqoba 2-0 siyanqoba ibhoso ngibona sinqoba 2-0
Bafana la uthi 2-0. Wona 2. Ulokela nje ukuthala.
Balandela mina abafana bahlanye
Shabutala.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Kuthiwa mushap.
Angisharp usithini press.
Amna sharp. Ngaza ukukhulumisa isindebele after a long time.
Yeah.
Tayari utaura.
Thina siyataura.
Mkoma urise.
ndiri bhozviri sei
ngukhulumise
mina ngiyakhuluma
nice one ubona njani igame namhla
hayi kumele siyibulale lethu abafana be-rentals kumele sibabulale
bafundise
kumele sibangenise eclassini siqede ngabo
bebuyele
befunda 1+1 sihlezi bashaye 2-0 prediction 2-0 sebashaya 2-0 ungafaka umovi bengakaboni line-up team enjani but kumele kube umovi ndo melikhaya kumele befake phakathi
uthini wena
2-0 yeah
mbano sejani
reason yeah
wonke
yeah onke I do
so sibajesa sifanele after ball
thanks very much
Ngishap Brawa mskipani.
mina shapo mina mbona uhamba lo mfana wakho lapho e-rentals
Ya namhla siyambhuqa ubi. Siyamchaya 3-0 namhla. Sise relegation phela thina. So siyafuna ukufighta. Namhla siyabhuqa 3 kuphela. Yeah.
unovumelana naye re
ya ndotenderana nazo
uthi mruji wa 3
hatizodyiwe towina 3 hatizodyiwe
so
sizokutshaya unoka uzati 3 nya 3-0
e-rentals ishiwini
exactly
njana nogozi awaziyo maplay team yakho
no
kana ndimdara
aiwa ndimdara ndandondogweza
mdara nogozi
obvious
uyavuma mnovuma ukuthi mnogwezela mdara
No. Sekhulile umdala vele atholi even offside ayitholi offside. Ula Athandlovu phela eMasuka. Yeah. Andrew Mbemba. Maninja uzoscore 2 namhla. Breton Ncube 2 zakhe. And then lo uRuhisha 1.
Nice
3 nya. Ibhola seliphelile.
Nice one
Iposo.
nice one
Yeah, Ruhisha.
nice one brother
Show Brawa.
yeah see sister Debbie
Ndiri bomori say,
ndiri bondiona wari wasmart
you know, pink to the world.
wakachena
Thank you so much.
Kebra rasuruna say
We're going to win 2-0 against Highlanders. And Chidara to score.
Mdara momlava mdara
So kuti.
so
Baba Jaja.
unofundi mdara kwesa zweze
Hey.
assist mdara ni mwana wake
mdara ni mwana wake. It's either assist or a score.
So you won 2-0
2-0. Rentals to win.
Tone after ndoba umdawini lapho undobhese mfuna ungena phakathi eground wathi akwenzi ukuthi singene yena singakakhulumile amthawini linjani mthobjani
ngiyaphila kunjani kaThembi
hayi mina ngiyaphilile
hayi sharp
silivakatshele lapho eHarare but wena uyantshela ukuthi best in the UK
yeah so vele sikulandela sikhonala every week vele sabe sidinga ukuthi sizuthi undoda uthini ubabuza bamphendula besithini abantu
siyabonga mthawini support
kushaphu kaThembi
sise eHarare lapho sobona iHighlanders e-rentals uyibona njani igame namuhla
afuze sikuchaye namhla namhla siyakuchaya belo mdalo wabo siyabachaya kunjalo namhla namhla siyabachaya predictor khona apha kubo 2-1 yeah
mbalo umbona liyahlohla
ukuthi angahlohla nje hey umbeba ngasihlohlela lo munye nje ungabafana ukuthi ubuyile lokho
umNigeria
asamboni kuhle kulesi suku ukuthi angahlohla la kungayenza hlohle
kahle asibona after bora Masutu
afa ashiza
na sharp libiya sharp
asibe sharp ashiza ngomjabulo wonke yes ashiza
igame namhla ibona njani
igame namhlanje ashiza singeke sasuka obulawayo sibuya laba for nothing sizoshaya 2-0 clear ones clean sheet Highlander ibhoso sizoshaya 3-0 abantwana ababesikolo abame
mbano shothayo
okorayo ngumNigeria ngoreason masinga eda ngabanye buza umngane wami lo
mthanda ivumelana naye
kakhulu
ubona njani namhla ukuthi
ayise siyayiwina le game le straight for
ngoba lapha phansi elikhona lapha kunzima la
ya le is straight siyayiwina vele asila doubt
awula doubt
I win straight
la uvumelana noMasutu 2-0 2-0
2 or above
2 or above
yes siyayiwina straight
Put yourself.
Yeah.
Now uthi 2 not.
Mina ngithi 3 not.
Uthi 3 not.
Mina ngithi 3.
Banofaka.
Hayi uMelika it's obvious. Nigeria uza assist 2 zakhona. And then bese singena ku kathi ngathi bani. Anyone uyahlohla nombhebe ngasiphinda futhi.
All right. Hayi ayikhali ingoma mathuthu.
Jane ngelamata.
Anyamuza majayivana mathuthu. Lihle celebrate lingaqalisa ibhora.
Siwinile kuyafiwa siwinile asidlali njalo ibhola lingaqali but sihle siwinile 2-0 2 clean hayi 2 clean lapho
serious
my brother ngiyakutshela
my brother ushap
mina ngishaya putas
skipani
mnandi
ibona njani game nami
igame namhlanje mbona i2-1 in favor of us
malutezana
mbona iNigeria lesihlohlele yokuqala ifirst goal esithumbo nasiphiwe iphena esithumbo nasiphiwe iphena America yashayela phakathi futhi
wawuhlukane iphena
cause yiyo vele siyikhalelayo cause sifuna ukubalekela i-relegation
futhi asiyakuvumela
hayi namhlanje vele hayi siyanqoba hayi loba sokuthena hayi vele namhlanje vele siyazwinela silama 3 points zethu ngoba ithepha imanga kuhle mfowethu hayi ithepha imanga namhlanje vele sile 3 points zethu
into engichaza ukuthi uhle wana sports
vele sports is just past
Siswa Mushap.
I'm right.
Ibona njani game?
Hayi game dlaliwe bazamile abafana.
0-0 team ikona ipath ubuzwa njani khona lokho?
Kubuhlungu but kungcono kube 0-0. Ngabe sidile vele besingasoze sifume. Hayi besingeke sifume.
Ipoint ingcono nani?
Hayi point ingcono.
Hayi ngiyabonga siswa.
Hayi sibongile lathi but.
Sharp. Pura Sam.
Mafa.
Zithini?
Sharp khamba.
Arenda 0, Arenda 0.
Ma 0-0.
Ibone nje team ipath ipoint isave kodwa.
Nya kungcono but abafana balala labana abayirenthouse shiyana udlalisa abantwana besikolo manje abakwazi ibhora laba athola belele bafundisa ukulala kuphela
but ukuthi point team yalenda yonzima ngoba iphansi
hayi point iyo but hayi kulala man hey badlala ishit man
alright put wami
sharp
my brother
kunjani putas
amna shabo mina ibone njani game
ubuhlungu nje uthi troll yani bekutrick but abafana badlala ibhora mina of course ngigqoyisa ibhora anti but ayinenze bedlala ibhora ingcono ndani abadlalero bapasana bayalahla ibhora kalona ungeneleni lo
uphi
umfana lo seceleni ku right wing lo
umanije
kuyingona kanti kenzi ngabona uthini mina PF mina ngingaka sobudala wamahamba lami lokho ukuthi imali lokho but ngangakazo mina support ibhoso
lokho udinga imali ukuthi ungayilindi
imali futhi athi imali kubhuju plus ubhuju wangu unathengisa ibhora uCape Sizulu
mashita
hayi kunzima
i3-1 yana
kunzima phela
but i-point is enough.
Yeah, it's enough. I point it's enough. As yazama next time. Yeah,
akufanani.
Yeah, akufanani. It's better.
But as long as they got a point.
Yes. Yeah.
My brother.
Uyalili 2-0 leni yalile
but the point.
Sesicovile but next time. We are hoping that next time.
Mama lo bengapha lokho. Hayi officially.
Ula woman.
Yeah, it's bad. Ngakhangela ibhora not ukuthi akhangela ukuthi kudlala ibhoso kumbe whatever. But then ngakhangela ibhora, adlala ibhora. Finish and clear. But then yena nxa ngimkhangele ngendlela adlala ngayo anti. Yes, indlela athi commander ngayo it's okay. But then indlela adlale ngayo laphana. Hayi ayingisuthisanga. Finishing yayilendazi yakhe. Angazi ukuthi why le attitude. But then kadlala ibhora njani elifair. Ibhora esidliwe asiyali. But then
it's only you.
Hayi udliwa sidliwe lapha i1-0 level.
Lapha asdrawile but kumele simprove like once we not straight
Keeper, we don't see him finishing. But I think we have to improve the attacking. Maybe focus here, but keeper no ukona pesa. Look at keeper. No point bring a sevangi chiwatwa. So mele I think he put the shin. Lazi doesn't for his.
My brother, how do you see the game? Atamba goals. So you did right. Game over. Join.
Step 3 events.
Join. Hey, I'm not sure. It's
So, Step 3 TV.
Yes.
Listen, my brother,
this is Mr. Joffrey. No, I'm not that time. I'm wearing a platinum jersey, but I'm also tired.
How did you see the game?
The game was okay, but I think the coach made a few flops, substituting our number 10 there. I think no, the reason was okay. Reason was not doing good. Reason was out of position. And the
video.
No,
we are still looking at
great one, but then I feel like going forward, we're good. Yeah, so the midfield is okay. We're winning balls. We are attacking. We're the better team, but we are lucky. But I think yeah, okay. Coach Young is doing a good job, especially from the back. Matan Dofu. I think it's left the man of the match.
So overall, happy with the point?
No, I'm not happy with the point, but I'm happy with the performance. From good. Despite we didn't get the goal, our strikers went sharp. So much. We're hoping that Raouj, when he came in, he was going to score. But then, but okay. We're okay with the point, but it's good. Yeah, we're playing good football, tiki-taka, defense, we're happy. Even though we got our with the point, you know, the point away is a win.
Transition, defense to attack, and attack to defense. We were jittery when we get to the final game. We needed somebody on the midfield who would hold the ball, give us a pass. We convert them to that. I think there is a lot of job to be done with our strike first. Otherwise, we always fall short of goals.
We are able to build up front.
Yes, I'm able to build up, but now the final part of it, the final game, I think there is a lot of work to be done. Our strikers, our wingers, and that attacking midfield. I think that's a lot of work.
Now, Sister Sheikh,
do you think you will survive the relegation?
Yeah, definitely.
No, we are not in relegation. We are not in relegation.
We are not even there.
And we are Highlanders. We are Highlanders.
There is
But we have something. That's why on 19 October we have Dynamo and then we have Transit. But we are taking that cup as it in 2019 with the court. Thank you. We are taking it. We are taking it.
Iposo namla bengibenthame lokubenjamin ukuthi siyawina bengibenthame siyawina beBrazil ngohlungu ngijabulile ngepoint ngiyakholisa meBrazil iposo siyawina no matter what siyawina iposo
Emotionally supported. So we think
YouTube. Go to the channel YouTube. Yeah, I will definitely tonight. We upload this. So it is Highlanders versus Rangers. We'll see it on YouTube.
So the others follow. Wait. Of course. Okay.
Kalisi ball. Basi bakazi delay. So konkana da kalisi ball. In ball is not to delay. I would tell you. A winner I win. And the foot is it referee here I don't know who chief of Sunday. Make a play. Because he referee about correct. Then we enjoy it. Yeah, so we believe that this is a child as a child.
So we believe the prophecy.
Yeah, we are happy with point. Well, it's not much tactics. So Rangers, it's a good team. You can say it is not a good team.
Yeah, sweet. Say again. Again, direct artist.
Also like I saw I always see
inona mlimele ukulala bayadidisa hayi ibholo lenakala ngabona hayi umnikazi naye dlale phakathi mhlawumbe umuntu abatshela phakathi hayi ke manje ingachazi hayi enipoint njengoba abantu basidla ngale ekhaya njengoba bona basathatha ipoint hayi ngikho ngeke sizona siyachaya ngale phezu siphinde futhi ngapha sichaya omandaweni but hayi okalapha igame namhlanje right but nje hayi urefu nabe kungafika hayi igame decision ekarefu bona final but hayi komnandi ibhola kunalikhazi ngadi yangapha likhazi nxa ulokhu engagqoqa lowo achaja ibhola limnandi kanjani hayi oyindise correction 100% udijong hayi ziyambonga umlungu ziyambonga kakhulu hayi unokuya sinika nje idlabuzane khona isibabangani utamhlabangani mina bakazise lapha Tamkulu Yamazi, big time Yamazi Sharp. Hello. I'm not happy and I'm at the same time, but but it was a family airport. Family airport, but the one who played a minute taken. Channel live for family, channel live. Make time 2-0. But so far,
igame uyazi ukuthi ibingela that agency mali boss ibingela that agency idlala njenge team engani mebhilida nge10 points yona ikubottom fight relegation why ayila agency azidlala soft football iboss idlala soft football which is not good
yabuza
plus okwesithiwe ngubonileyo ref angazi why ama coaches eboss nga protest ukona isikhathi asidwa abantu bayalala eground but umuntu ede 1 minute first half then second half azi bayethe 3 bayethe ngayo so uthi ibhola sibukele maybe 30 minutes kuphela sibukele 30 maybe ukuthi so angeke sisibukele ibhola phela khona
it's not fair
akho fair ibhola asibukele ibhola si-exhaust imali ethu le encane khona nje awula ndaba nokuthi ibhola Fongu dlala 2 minutes umuntu uyelala 5 minutes but mase sokufaka u-edge isikhathi so edwa maybe 1 minute and then second half 2 minutes lokho kufini asikwela ngalutho la
all the way from Bulawayo
all the way from Bulawayo
Sharp my brother
do bengilapha nje ngarare party
kuyabho
anyakuzwa
sharp